and thank you for tuning in during what has been one of the most exciting weeks in the world of news. My name is Jessica Walker and this is BeInCrypto News, a bi-weekly news show where we go in depth into some of the most important and also the most thought-provoking news in the cryptocurrency space. Well, in this episode, we'll be talking a lot about Bitcoin and this continued push that we're seeing from institutional investors to get involved in the space. Well, join me as we take a look through big news from Grayscale and MicroStrategy. ECB's CBDC seems to be pushing all steams ahead, and we also have some news about one cryptocurrency project with massive potential that has seen a lot of hype lately, and it's definitely something that should be on your radar. But before we continue, if you are looking to keep up to date with BeInCrypto's video content and you want to see more videos like this, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And also, before we start, if you could describe this week in one word, what would that word be and why? Let us know in the comment section down below. Grayscale is a digital currency investment and asset management provider that makes it easy for institutional investors to invest in cryptocurrency and cryptocurrency derivatives. Now here's where this gets really interesting. Grayscale is the largest institutional manager of Bitcoin and currently owns close to 450,000 Bitcoin, which is worth over $6 billion US. Now that's not all. Grayscale continues to add more Bitcoin to their portfolio month over month, purchasing an additional 17,000 Bitcoin in today's market, worth over $228 million at the end of September. So with Bitcoin pushing back towards its peak price, the continued growth of Grayscale and the positive outlook Bitcoin has had, polled by investors, it continues to point towards signs that institutional demand for Bitcoin is increasing. Now, on a separate note, MicroStrategy is a tech giant that's recently purchased hundreds of millions of dollars worth of Bitcoin to hold as a treasury asset. See its stock continues to soar, while other tech giants flounder and are fighting for increased market share. Well, in the month of October, MicroStrategy actually outperformed both Apple and Microsoft. On the news, they'll be converting 75% of their cash reserves into Bitcoin. Former Goldman Sachs hedge fund manager Raoul Pal is extremely bullish on MicroStrategy's decision and thinks that companies such as Microsoft and Apple will buy into Bitcoin within the next 5 years. Well, do you agree? Drop us a comment in the comment section below and give this video a like if you're also bullish on Bitcoin. Well, in other financial news, we're also seeing massive interest from major players of the European Central Bank continuing to push for a digital euro. Christine Lagarde, the president of the ECB, says she sees the digital euro complementary to cash but not as a full-blown replacement. As a continued sign for her push of the digital euro, she's asked European stakeholders from around the continent to provide their opinions on the central bank digital currency, or as we in the space know, CBDC. Now, although this will not be a decentralized currency, it's an extremely bullish sign on what blockchain technology can provide to mainstream users. Well, now it's time for our technical analysis. It's been impossible to miss this price action over the last week in the crypto space, but if you do want some more in-depth focus, BeInCrypto's team of trading experts provide free cryptocurrency trading signals through their Telegram community. And one of the aspects that we're most excited about is this continued bullish sentiment we're seeing in Bitcoin price. Well, when looking at the monthly charts, we can see that Bitcoin price has registered its second highest closing price in history, only behind the historic bull run of late 2017 that led to a $20,000 US Bitcoin, an extremely bullish sign. Well, the recent bullish price action reflects the market very well as we continue to see a significant increase in institutional investment and also interest in Bitcoin. The high close on the monthly candlestick shows the market is extremely bullish as we're getting close to all-time highs, and also we continue to break the record every day for the most consecutive days for the price of Bitcoin remaining over $10,000 US. Well, in some other fun news, the Bitcoin white paper celebrated its 12th birthday on Halloween, and at BeInCrypto, we reached out to major industry players to share their stories about their spookiest and their worst investments to commemorate the day. We did find some of the biggest factors to look out for before you trade, such as potential inflation, especially with new altcoins, not trading at night or when you're not mentally sharp, overconfidence, and never trade if you have FOMO or fear of missing out, as you may let emotions overtake your logic. Well, to finish off, we'd like to acknowledge the winner of our weekly altcoin poll, Ocean Protocol, and commend them for their continued growth. So not only did they win our weekly poll and the prize of a free video project for their community, but also they were the top of Lunar Crush's daily cryptocurrency social media aggregator, representing the largest amount of positive price growth and also social media engagement online. Now, this does coincide with their market cap growing 10.57% over the past week, the second largest growing top 100 project by market cap after Nexo. The hype on Ocean Protocol mostly came from news that the German central bank has announced a recent partnership with Ocean Protocol. Well, congrats to the team and keep up the good work. Well, everyone, this has been our bi-weekly update of the cryptocurrency markets. Tune in again next week for our next installment and join our Telegram trading community to receive free trading signals, a free trading course, and consult with experts and much more. Now, once again, if you did like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. I'm Jessica Walker, and thanks again for tuning in to BeInCrypto News.